outside detector. Okay. Turn this on. Press and hold that. I'm drawing about 100 watts. Okay, I hear it. I feel something coming up. The output is jumping to about 130 watts. Okay, exhaust a little bit there. So it's been about 3 minutes since we turned it on. Output dropped to about 30 watts right now. I see it's burning the diesel. I can see the smoke coming out. It's been about 4 minutes. Oh, it's starting to get warm now. Quite there yet, but it's starting to get warm. I feel it. And the diesel stopped. There's no more smoke. This is the first time I'm running this, so I'm not sure what to expect. Yeah, it's pretty warm now. Nice. Set it earlier to 21 degrees, but now try for 30. See if that changes. Consumption, it's about 35 watts. So it's been 8 minutes, and that's warm. Not like burning hot yet, but it's pretty warm. Let's start. Okay, it's starting to get hot. Put my hand there for about, let's try this one. About 10 seconds. It's starting to feel hot. So the power usage right now is about 8 watts. Which is nothing. And it's pretty warm. This is warm. Nice and warm. Oh, I think that's what it's detecting right now. It's about 5 degrees out here. Not too cold today. Carbon monoxide detector. It's not triggering right now, which is good. Okay, that's a test. Consumption about 30 watts. That's on full fan. If I put it to 1, that's number 17 on the fan. Still warm, still hot. It's hot actually. Consumption drops to about 8 watts, and it's at setting number 1. The output is still hot. Runtime 15 minutes, and yeah, it's pretty warm right now. Consumption about 8 watts right now. Steady 8 watts. It did smell like burning diesel in the start, but now it's completely gone. Alright, it's been running for about 20 minutes now. I think that's a success. It's pretty good, pretty warm. It's only consuming about 10 watts on number 1 setting. Put it to number 6, it consumes about 30 to 40 watts. So I'm camping tomorrow for 2 nights. We'll find out. I will make extension of this review and find out my thoughts and pros and cons, I guess, once I put it to test tomorrow. So stay tuned for that.